Hello and welcome to this short video demonstration on how to use your mobile phone as a navigation device in everyday situations. I will be using the new Sony Ericsson c702 with a built-in GPS, but any phone with a built-in GPS will work just fine. This demonstration is in 3 parts. The first one will be about Wayfinder Navigator, navigating by car or foot at home or abroad. The second part will be covering Wayfinder Active, a GPS solution developed especially for the outdoors, such as running, biking, hiking, etc. But maybe most importantly, you can get terrain maps with water waves, height curves, hiking trails and much more. In the third video, I'll be demonstrating how Wayfinder Earth turns your mobile into a great tool while traveling to new and exciting countries. Kind of like Google Earth, but for the mobile and with city guides and points of interest, etc. So let's start with the first application, Wayfinder Navigator. Wayfinder Navigator comes preloaded on the C702. You can find it under Tools. Moving into the main menu, you have 6 different options. I'm not going to go into details with all of them. Let me just start by showing you the plan route function, which is the one you will use mostly. Let's say you want to go from one address to another. Wayfinder can actually find you at your current GPS location, simply setting that as a start point, which is naturally great since it saves you time. Or you could just search for an address or select a starting point from the map. After that, you do the same thing with the endpoint, and it automatically shows you your route as a red line marked out on the map. It automatically starts navigating, taking you to your destination. If you have the voice prompts turned on, you also receive voice guidance along the route. There are 2 different transportation modes to choose from, pedestrian mode and vehicle mode. The difference between the 2 is how it calculates the route based on traffic regulations and rules. Let me get back to the main menu and see what other things we can choose. Another key functionality is the search function. It's quite convenient for just doing a quick search for an address or just searching for an ATM, restaurant or hospital. It actually searches in multiple databases at the same time, such as the white and yellow pages. Another thing I like about Wayfinder Navigator is the points of interests. A point of interest is an icon that's clickable with dynamic information, such as opening hours, phone numbers, contact details, and so on. There are a lot of different symbols representing coffee shops, hospitals, ATMs, post offices, you name it. Because the Wayfinder software connects to the internet, these maps and points of interest are always up to date. Naturally, if you're worried about data cost, you can always download your maps from mywayfinder.com at no cost.